Alright guys, here we go. This is basically going to be the first introduction JavaScript tutorial. JavaScript. It's part of the three full front-end development for front-end web development. Basically, HTML is obviously your structure, as we covered. CSS is your design. JavaScript is going to be your interactivity, what makes the website active and functionality. So what you see here, just on a website like this, maybe this is a good place to start. You'll see these images are populating here. And they're going over a set period of time, and in this case there's 2 tabs, there could be 3 or 4, as many as you want, but that's a piece of JavaScript basically running that. You'll also see here these reviews are being populated through a JavaScript type module, and these are also being run through JavaScript. And one more piece, I guess, quick on this site is that this header up here is also being run. As you see, it kind of follows the web page so that they always have their information up here. And that's also being ran with on a JavaScript type. So what we're going to go in this tutorial is just real quick, we're going to kind of show you how we're able to print our information of JavaScript to either the web browser or to our console log down here. Now don't mind if you don't understand the variables and how this JavaScript is working. I just want to show you how we're going to get it up here. So basically we're going to just quickly set a variable, and I'll just put my name, Steve, and we'll just equal that to a string in quotes, which is basically going to say is a web developer. And basically that is just set this variable Steve to is a web developer. Now there's 2 ways that we're able to print our JavaScript functions and such to the either web browser. In this case we'll go document dot write, and we'll just put in our variable. Oops, gotta put the correct Steve, and then we will print that out, and you'll see is a web developer is printed out to our browser. So that's one way, is the document write. In between the parentheses we can put whatever variable or whatever information we're going to print to the screen. The other way is down here in our console. We're able to go console.log, and let's just put our variable again, Steve, and let's print console logo, console log, and it says is a web developer. So basically these are 2 ways that we're able to run our JavaScript in these tutorials. You can also set up a local environment in your hosting or server if you have one. But yeah guys, we're going to go through here. This is JavaScript. It's a lot of fun. It really brings a next level to your skills as a web developer. There's a lot of demand. They're doing a lot of back-end stuff now through Node.js for databases and such, all the back-end development. So learning this is very important. Some people say it's tricky. You know, I've been doing this for a while, so it comes pretty natural. And that's all I can say, is that as you continue to practice and as you continue to put in the time every day, pretty much, you really have to make this an everyday type thing, and at least put in a little bit of time to continue to learn and practice. But guys, stick around. The next couple tutorials will really go into what all this information means and how we are able to use it in websites. So thanks guys, and stay around. Give a like and a subscribe and a follow and a share and anything, because that also helps. And created a couple videos now, trying to get them moving. Thank you.